Hi, this is Percy Alvarado, and this is my reflecting on the live presentation video task free. Moodle MOOC 4 Creating Synergy in Online Classrooms via Emerging Technologies. Released on June 3rd, 2014, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Duration 60 minutes. Speaker Dr. Cheryl Lenz. A WeICQ Live class. Nelly Dutch introduced the speaker Dr. Cheryl Lenz and encouraged the participant to introduce through the chat box. Dr. Cheryl Lenz is a university professor and a prolific award-winning author known for her writings on the Golden Palace theory of management, effective study skills, and reflective thinking. She is a 20-time internationally published and 12-time award-winning author who helps doctoral scholars publish their writings within the trademarked anthology series The Reflective Thinker, a collaboration of more than 80 contributing doctoral scholars from around the world. Cheryl teaching nearly 15 years as a college professor. Cheryl talked about the purpose of the live workshop, described the content of the workshop, and it is mainly the use of the blog and YouTube channel as basic application to use for online classes. She made a summary of the overall agenda and of part 1. The main idea conveyed was that new technologies are not intended to replace traditional classes, but can satisfy the increasing demand for adult learners to adopt and apply the hybrid modalities now available to connect the learner with the most appropriate for his style, schedule, and learning style of the adult learner. She continued talking about the virtual classroom technology, mentioning some ideas. She mentioned that there are three learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Serve as a foundation of this workshop to demonstrate how each technique and strategy appeals to a specific learning style to contribute to the reinforcement of cognitive learning. Cheryl also gave a definition of each of the styles. As you see, through a metaphor, Cheryl defined the relationship must have a teacher with learners. You can take a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. Our role as teacher is to make students thirsty. On this topic, she presented his ebook Technology That Tutors: 7 Ways to Save Time by Using the Blog as a Teaching Tool. Presented his disclaimer. Please remember, a blog is not an lieu of classroom activities, but to enhance the student experience. She showed an example of an introduction with video in announcements, then a YouTube video named Technology That Tutors. Then began the process of a blog in action. Upon request, Ask Us enter to their YouTube channel in which has a video about it. She showed a picture of his YouTube channel and told about the transcripts feature. She gave some examples of the types of video that she uploaded to his channel and how these videos are accompanied with a blog entry. Then showed a picture of a blog entry. Define what is a blog and its features. As you see here and here, and here. Show and discuss the necessary element of a successful blog: header, RSS feed, welcome area, sign up area, social media links, calendar, blog roll, reply area, and text area. Cheryl told how does a blog support academia with the Boyer model of scholarship. Showed also a Boyer model of scholarship matrix with the type of scholarships, learning purpose, and measures of performance. She developed the topic about learning tools in the cloud as GoAnimate, the world's #1 do-it-yourself animated video site. Allows everyone to make videos quickly and easily without having to draw or download anything. Click, drag, and action. And Boki, a free service that lets you create customized speaking characters. Another interesting topic discussed was the way the blog and video works with types of learning styles. For example, visual learners seeing use video transcript, blog post. Auditory learners hearing use audio video podcast. And kinesthetic learners doing use video demonstration, video tutorials. Also, about the features of a blog that support learning styles. Multitude of ways to include information on a blog, and also with text, video, transcript, audio podcasts, pictures, and graphics. Here, we see a blog text post example. A video inserted into a blog post. A Boki in an announcement. In part 2 of the presentation describes how to use a blog as a teaching tool, the teaching application. The purpose. Think of a blog as having your own teaching assistant, for example. Cheryl said that his blog offered the ability to clone himself as often as a student might need, at their convenience, and in their time zone, as often as they like, when they need information. Immediately show how to apply text and video into the blog. As you see here. Another interesting topic discussed was about using the WordPress CMS content management system, how to log in, about dashboard, how to add a new post, how to integrate YouTube videos on the blog, the blog post options, blog text, YouTube video. For each vignette, I had both transcript and video, she said. The transcript, because I talk fast too, appeals to those students who prefer text, she said, Cheryl. Also about blog text post. This is an example. An example of blog video post. And of a YouTube video post. A classroom post sample. How to embed the video code within other e-learning platforms like Blackboard or eCollege. Example. Finally, Cheryl talked about how is social media an important component in the classroom. The central idea is that since students are on social networks, then teachers should bring their classes to the social networks too. She talked about what social networks offers to education. As you see, statistics shows that social networks are typically used in the development of a course. Private groups on Facebook are a great way to have a presence on social networks, as you see. Twitter is another great social tool to conduct a course. She notes that social networks should be used with responsibility in the courses. At the end of the presentation, Dr. Cheryl Lentz answered questions and concerns of the participants. Thank you.